what's up everybody? So I'm back again with another unboxing video, and let's just jump right into the first package, this one. Sorry for the lightning, but it's kind of dark outside, so I had to turn on my lights, so yeah. I don't know if you guys remember in my last video or the other one, well, whatever, I said that I would have gotten the last GOT7 album. Well, they arrived now 5 months later, so this is from my friend. I got it from her. Finally I got this. I really wanna collect everything that GOT7 has, but it's kind of difficult because it's really expensive and I'm not rich at all. Okay, so we have the photo cards. I hope you can see them. I'm so happy I got this. I finally have this. And I pre-ordered the other DVD, the one for the new tour, the one I attended, so I'm really excited and I'm gonna probably do an unboxing video. And yeah, I'm so happy. Okay, so I can now finally open the big package. This is the package. It's really big and heavy because it has, I think, 14 albums. And I have been waiting to open this since September, so I'm finally here. Okay. This doesn't only have GOT7 albums, this also has other albums. Okay, here's the whole package. As you can see, these are a bunch of albums. I'm gonna look through those after. Okay, these are all my albums. I'm sorry again for the lightning. Okay, so the first one is this one from Sunmi. I really got into her lately, so I decided to buy the album. And it's so pretty. Look at her, she's a queen. It's so pretty, so pretty. Also, this album is really a masterpiece. She's gorgeous and the music is really, really amazing. The next one is from 80s, the latest album. I still have to buy the first one. And these are the photo cards. So I got Yunho and the group one. I also got this from my friend because she bought like 4 of them or 6 of them, I don't remember. Well, I got one from her, so yeah, I'm happy. And then I have all the albums of GOT7, all present you albums. Okay, they are a lot, like really a lot. And I have a poster as well. Okay. So these are the albums. I have 2 already in my shelf. And this one is the group poster. You can can't really see it well. And then I have these also. We have, you can see it's Jabom and Young, but you can see him. And the pre-order benefits, all my pre-order benefits. In this one I have Youngjae and Bam Bam and Jackson. That's so pretty. That's really gorgeous. If you're asking, I bought like 13 Present You albums. I have another Bam Bam and Yugyam, as you can see. I'm gonna open this really fast. I'm gonna look through everything after the video. Then I have Jinyoung and Youngjae. I have Mark and Jackson. Okay, so I can finally open the albums. Okay, so first one, Yugyam's. Finally, finally, after months I can finally look through this. But I'm gonna do it after. First of all, the photo cards. I have Youngjae, Yugyam, and Yugyam, and Jackson. So pretty. I love this album. I really loved it. And also I have Youngjae. You can see it, but it's Youngjae inside here. It's so gorgeous, but sadly I have gotten it now because there were problems at costumes. I have Youngjae. I have so many of Youngjae. So if you're interested, I am telling them. I have Mark and Youngjae. I don't have every photo card because I did a giveaway. And because basically I have gotten 3 albums, but they were free but without photo cards. But who says no to free albums? So I had to sell some photo cards. I have another Yugyam, and this one is to sell as well, but I have sold it already. Okay, so I have these and Jin Young's lyric card, and also this one as Yugyam inside. I don't think I'm gonna ever rip the cover thing because it's too pretty to break it. And the group version, and inside it has Jibon. The group version has Jibon, Bam Bam, and Yugyam. Jackson. And I have Jibon, Jinyoung, and Bam Bam. Jibon. And I have Jackson, Bam Bam, and Jibon, and Yugyam lyric card. Youngjae again. Oh Jesus. I have Bam Bam and Mark. Him again, and I have Jinyoung. Sorry if I'm going fast, but I don't really have space in my phone left. Then I have Jinyoung. And I have Yugyam, Bam Bam, and Jibon, and Youngjae lyric card, And the last one is Bam Bam. Oh, and I have this one again. And I have the group lyric card. So yeah, these were all my albums, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I hope I can become more active as I was before. And yeah, bye!